Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are staying at the W Taipei in Xinji district, Taipei, Taiwan, and this is going to be a 2-night stay for New Year's Eve 2024. And I booked this room 5 months ago, after monitoring it like almost every single day. These rooms here for New Year's Eve are extremely rare and also extremely expensive. You would roughly pay about $2,000 for this room if you were to book it for tonight and tomorrow for 30th, 31st of December. Thankfully, I used Marriott Bonvoy points as well as a free night award certificate from the Amex Bonvoy Brilliant card that I had in my account. So this was definitely value for money. And here we go. So this was upgraded due to the titanium status to the fabulous room. The base room level is a wonderful room. And yeah, so this is basically what you receive, or what I received this time. It is a corner room number 2029, and it's the last room on the hallway, as I mentioned, on the corner, so you have a nice view to all the areas here. You can even see the Taipei 101 on the edge. There it is, like behind this building here. Now, I don't really need a view like this, because what happens is going to be tomorrow, the fireworks are going to be fantastic, so I'll definitely go downstairs somewhere where you can see them from all sides. I'm not going to stay in the room, so we don't need a view of the 101 entirely. But let's have a look here at this fabulous room of this room category. You really have to check out the website of the W Taipei, because there are so many different categories. Even the cool corner room, as they call it, is not too bad. Preferably, I would ask if I were to stay here to be upgraded based on my status to a marvelous or fantastic suite, using the free night award certificate, not the free night awards, using the suite night awards. But yeah, I tried, I applied them, and no surprise, they were not accepted, because the hotel is simply sold out tomorrow, probably even oversold. And I prefer to check in the day before. And there was also a 2-night minimum stay requirement for this year's New Year's Eve. So let's have a look. So here's the bathroom, and there is a freestanding tub, which is rather large, and that is always a positive thing, because sometimes you have hotel bathrooms where you simply cannot fit into the bathtub, and that is not the case here, because this looks quite nice and spacious. I mean, I have been at this hotel before, I know the tubs, but I haven't had this particular room type before. Then here you got a total washlet, and it opens automatically when you approach. There's also, here you can see the automation, so you just do whatever you want to do, but other than that, the toilet is fully functional. Here we go with the amenities. There is skin regimen, and this is body lotion as well as a cleansing foam. And today there are still amenities here. All of these are going to disappear starting on January 1st, 2025. According to the notice on the front desk, there will be a new law enacted here in Taiwan, so these will no longer be in the guest rooms. And I'm not sure if you can actually request them, and then they will be brought down or brought up to the room. But in either case, they will disappear from these drawers. Then here you got the rainforest shower, as well as a shower head. So I always love to have these separate showers and tubs, because it's just much more complete, and it feels proper. Here you have more, these are Momo amenities, and I have never heard this brand before, so I'm quite uncertain what to tell you about this. But yeah, sometimes it's interesting because you come across hotels where they have these standalone brands that you don't really see that often. Then this is, by the way, the hallway. Let's give you a little look at that as well. The doors are very thick. Hallways are nice, always smells nice, very fresh. And I do like the W Taipei. I mean, it's one of these hotels where even if you don't like the brand too much, there are a few properties every now and then where you say, okay, I feel comfortable, including, like for me, there would be the W Osaka, W Taipei, W Kuala Lumpur, and I'm trying to think of any other that I really like, but yeah, maybe the one in Koh Samui was also not too bad. So here we got the closet space, and there's ample space in here. You can hang some of the jackets, and you got more space. There's a luggage rack. Here's also option for laundry service as well as a bathrobe. There is a swimming pool downstairs right behind the Wu bar. There's an in-room safe, and the swimming pool is open during the day and evening. Let's get this right. I just got the air purifier delivered, so that is also important because sometimes you come in the room like I did just now, half an hour ago, and I felt like this thing needs to run when I'm not in the room. So get an air purifier, guys, especially in Asia or anywhere else where the air is not exactly clean, and oftentimes you feel like you want to have the air completely filtered out. And when you look down here, you see a carpet, and carpets are not always and rarely the best flooring material these days for hotel rooms. For one, of course, it's a dust catcher. There's no other way to say it, but yeah, if you're sensitive against, like, you know, requiring proper fresh air in your bedroom, then get an air purifier and also have it put in your profile at these hotels so you can get one every single time. Here is the so-called mix bar. So the minibar, the charges are quite substantial, and the hotel wants to put a 1,500 Taiwan dollar deposit on your card, which first I was quite shocked by that, but I had a little bit of a mix-up with the exchange rate. It is actually just 150 US dollars, but still, for a room that is completely prepaid, I guess you never know. It used to be a lot more here. I think back in the day they wanted something like 500 US dollars deposit. Here is more of the minibar. There is a luggage belt, W Taipei branded. Here are some snacks, cups. It's an espresso machine. The Nespresso machine, the coffee stuff and tea stuff, including TWG, is free of charge. The telephone works properly. It was a little bit dirty. I wiped that down. And here is the minibar. The bottles of Evian water are free, at least for elite members. And there is, as I showed you on the other side, the sodas as well as a small champagne. So that is not cheap. There's a 7-Eleven nearby, so if you ever need that. And I'll show you what they gave me at check-in for the elite benefits. So you get, as a titanium member in this case, enhanced room upgrade, including select suites based on availability. Well, there was no availability today, and all I got was a fabulous room, which is one category up, at least with a nice view, I guess. Late checkout until 4 p.m. and they offered me 3,000 points if I forego that and check out at 12 p.m., I haven't decided yet if I'm going to take them up on that. There's also a happy hour daily from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And yeah, as I mentioned, the 2 bottles of Evian water, complimentary internet access. I mean, we have 2025 almost. Like, do you really need to list that? And you can either pick 1,000 points or daily breakfast. And of course, I picked the breakfast in this case. This is a 2-night stay at a W hotel. So you definitely get more value from picking the breakfast. Yeah, so this is a fabulous room number 2029 at the W Taipei, Xinji district. And I'll leave you with a view. There is the Breeze complex, more like a shopping street complex, quite nice. W has a very good location, and if you come here to Taipei, check it out. The hotel is not cheap, but it's definitely nice, so it is well situated. And until then, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. This is the last video of 2024. And we are off to more adventures next year. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Cheers, and have a great New Year's Eve.